Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Saya Jess, and I wanted to show you a little bit about how the M&S stock trade ideas work with economy. We're doing a really good job. Our channel has grown over 500 members in just like less than 2 months, well, in 2 months time frame, I should say. So thank you to everyone that's been believing in my work and referring people to my channel. It's been absolutely great. So what I'm going to do is give you a rundown of this week because I realized that although I'm trading stock options full time, I have not even posted anything about the results that we've been producing. Now, if you follow my Instagram or my TikTok, I post almost every day about our results. So I'll leave that information in the description below for you guys to check out. So we're going to go backwards, but this is Friday as today, November 4th. And basically, I do give them what to look for the call and the put. I do teach 4 entry strategies, so you will have to learn how to actually trade. This is not a copy and paste method. If that's something that you want to implement, that's totally on you. But my goal is to teach you how to trade stock options. In my opinion, it is much easier than Forex. My students usually have results pretty quickly. I would have to say my new students range from, well, I had one in 30 days, but I feel like she's an exception. So I would say 60 days, 45 to 60 days for new people. And then for people that have experience trading, I would have to say it's about anywhere between 15 to 30 days. It's just a matter of showing up to class and paying attention to the content that I put out. Like you have to watch the videos. So again, I give them out. I pretty much give the same ones. These are the ones that I feel really comfortable with. I do really well with these and I have a nice winning ratio. So these were provided before market open. And we had FOMC and NFP, so I wanted everyone to be careful. Again, these are just trade ideas. So if you take them, you are accepting full responsibility and risk. I want to make sure I put that disclaimer out there. And past profits they're not indicative of future profits that you'll make. However, the goal here is to solely focus on the education so that you can feel comfortable independently trading after working with me. And that is a goal. So I like for you to use these as education to help guide you. Of course, they do well, but that is a goal. So again, Tesla was 16 3/4 of a point. So what I'll do a couple of times is I will include a chart that will show you like where the entry was on that particular trade idea. I don't know why my computer's taking forever, but you can see where I show you the trade idea so that nobody can say, oh, she's making that up. And it's like, no, that there was an actual entry based off of the level that I provided and off of one of the entry techniques that I go over with you. So there was an opportunity with this. This was a beautiful trade. This trade, the contract was 161. And if you held it, this was 2 hours. If you would have held the whole trade, it ended up going up to like $1,300. So it's like it was like a $1,300 profit, I believe. It was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful day. I'm not going to go through every single one, but I am going to show you the results. So as you can see, we basically won all of the trade ideas that were provided. So no losses. We had 100% win rate and a total of about 160 winning points. Most of my trades have a 50 to a 100% winning ratio. So if you invested $100, my goal is for you at least to make $50 off of it. Will that always happen? No, but for the most part, my trades have been giving about a 75 to a 100% return. I can't guarantee that you'll get that every single time, but pretty much that's how they've been playing out. Now, ideally, I would say worst case scenario would be a 15 to 25% return, and that's most likely because the market isn't giving us what we wanted, or maybe you entered late. So let's go to, these are some student results right here. So you can see a really nice day today. Yesterday, we had 6 trades, 100% win rates, and we won about 54 points if I round up. So you can see right here where the results are at. And then we had class, and these are some more student results. And let's see, these are the trade ideas that I just showed you the results for. These are more student results. And then on Wednesday, we had 9 trades, 100% win rate. So all trades played out. I included the chart for all of these so people can see and use them for learning purposes. So they can identify the entries with me and focus on improving their entry skills with the trades. Then on Tuesday, we had some homework that I provided for the team. On Tuesday, let's see, we also had another 100% day, 10 trades, no losses, about 97 winning points. These were the results from the trade ideas provided. This is our schedule for November. I'm starting a new schedule for November, you guys. So for beginners, our beginner classes started on November 3rd, and every Thursday I'm doing beginners, and on Tuesdays I'm doing charting and more advanced stuff for people who've been with us for for the past 2 months that I've been here. Again, we do really, really well. Last week we had a 97.7 winning ratio, and Monday was actually not a good day for me. So Monday we had 10 trades, 2 losses, 1 no play. So no play means that it did not activate with the levels I provided, so it's void. But we did have 7 wins and we had a 70% win ratio and 37 winning points. Monday was not a good day. Statistically, Monday is hit or miss. But I've noticed that I'm usually off on my trades on Monday. Like not off, but I always have like 1 loss. I do provide swing ideas on Sundays for people that want to hold those swing positions, and I update them as well. I'm waiting to see what the feedback is on that. If people like it, I'll continue to do it. But for the most part, the day trades are what everybody's pretty much been enjoying. Again, right here, these were trade updates for the swings, and that was last week. And these are student results. And then last week's results. This was last Friday. We had a 100% win rate. I'm just going to keep going one more week and that'll be it. Student results. That was last Thursday. We had a 100% win rate. When you get started, you want to make sure you start at the intro to stock options classes, and you just want to watch pretty much the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about the first 8 videos. And then I have really good content with the October videos, but as a newbie, you want to get started there. Again, another 100% winning day, which was really nice. So you can see these are the results of the trades. More student results. And again, another 100% winning rate. That was October 25th. These are the results. Let's see. I know Mondays is when I normally have 1 mess up. So there we go. And then that's last Monday where I had 1 loss, 8 wins. We had an 88.88 win ratio. So we've been doing really good. I'm really happy. Again, this is where I show people where they can identify the entries based off of what I teach. So occasionally I will show you where you can get into those trades so you can see. And what's great about this is that if you have any questions, you can always either speak to your team leader, or you can just leave a comment and either myself or admin will reply within a decent amount of time. So again, this has been going really good. The students are doing exceptional. I'm really, really excited. And I just really continue to help others. I just want to help people get this. I know when you try to look up stock education or stock options education online or on YouTube, it can be really confusing and frustrating. At least it was for me, I should say. And to just be able to explain it in simplistic forms and helping people internationally learn how it works is one of the best feelings in the world, and the results are unreal. So again, if you want to learn more about my classes, you can just check the information out in the description below. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I am loving it. I trade options full time. I still teach my Forex on the side privately, but stock options is where my heart is. It got me, and hopefully I can convert you too, because it's so worth it. Have a good one.